bird baths, basketballs, and manure. Dig through how DC's public schools spent millions in federal COVID relief money, and you'll find these items listed under educational supplies.
The football team got all this new equipment, and that would kind of make you go,
Junior Alina King told us her school has more urgent needs.
There are some classrooms that are freezing, and then there are some classrooms that are unbelievably hot. And then that makes you want to be like, oh no, I'm not going into that class.
To see how DC schools are spending their share of the COVID relief money, the 7 News I-Team first spent months getting and then reviewing thousands of DC's financial records. Among our findings, more than $1 million to buy tents, metal chairs, and picnic tables. School administrators spent more than $95,000 replacing and repairing the district's copy machines. The sample of records we reviewed show more than $45,000 used to buy basketball nets, footballs, soccer balls, bird baths, and manure. DC school leadership tells us these items helped students and staff transition back into school for in-person learning and enhanced school outdoor spaces. Is this what you think this money should be used for?
Absolutely not. That's ridiculous to spend money on manure.
The National Parents Union's Tashfir Cosby told us students, teachers, and parents have much more urgent needs.
When you're thinking about children who can't read, right, you're thinking about literacy levels being the lowest that they've been in years, and thinking about supports for children's mental and social and emotional health. There definitely needed to be some conversation with the community about the way that the community wanted to spend this money and the way that the money was actually being spent.
When the pandemic first shut down schools, Congress and then the Trump and Biden administrations, they wanted to get money to schools quickly. So they prioritized sending $190 billion to schools with few strings attached. According to the U.S. Department of Education, funds can be used to support a wide range of activities. Among them, technology for online learning, planning for both school closures and reopening, cleaning supplies, mental health services, summer learning, and after-school programs. And DC schools did spend millions of dollars buying computers, securing internet connections, and buying cleaning supplies, but they also spent millions renting equipment. They even rented a stadium. DC schools used $177,000 of federal COVID money renting DC's soccer stadium. Graduation ceremonies were spread over days to social distance. Pictures from the event show School Chancellor Louis Farabee addressing an almost empty house. Shots of the stands show not much social distancing.
We'll try to make some time for you.
The Chancellor refused to talk with us about his spending decisions, but the new chair of the House Education Committee had a lot to say about what we found.
Spending $177,000 to rent Audi Field for graduation is absolutely ridiculous. That is a total waste of money.
Congresswoman Virginia Foxx and the House Education Committee directly oversee how all American schools use federal COVID relief money. Before joining Congress, Foxx was a teacher.
Congress, I believe, wanted that money to be used for helping students catch up from the time that they lost, which has been really detrimental to the students. Our biggest problem, Mitch, is that it's somebody else's money. And when you're dealing with somebody, many people, when they're dealing with somebody else's money, that, nondescript taxpayer, they don't really care.